Hey you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have June's Goddess Provisions. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so I just received June's Goddess Provisions. This is how it arrived. I did take my mailing label off, and yeah. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what this month brings us. I'm always excited, and I love how early this one ships them out in the beginning of the month. So I like that. So then once you get inside, now they did have on their Instagram, they had a little poll or some kind of little thing that you can fill out, like suggestions, for them, and in there I did say, can you please put your card on the top instead of the bottom? So let's see if one day they do start to do that. Right now it's still not like that, so let me dump everything out so I can get to the bottom. And this time we have squigglies, so let me throw some of these away as well. Okay, so now that I threw all the squigglies away and I took everything else, I can get to the card. Here is the card. It says, there is so much out there for you. Very pretty. So the mantra then will be, here we go. The monthly mantra, as above, so below. I embody the celestial wisdom of the stardust I am made from. So there is the monthly mantra. And then on this side, it does go over all of the products and it tells us the pricing. So let's go ahead and start off with the first thing right here. It says, the magic of half year 2020. And that's one thing that they do give us is these planners, and they're 6 months at a time. So now that we have finished half of the year already, holy moly, now we're going into the second half of the year, and now we have the journal book. So let me go ahead and open this so we can see what's inside. Okay, so here is what it looks like without the plastic on there. And this is valued at $25. You can use coupon code GODDESS2020 to save 20% off at magicofi.com, magicofi.com. Yes. And then on the back of it, it looks like that. And it says, with insight into moon movements, planetary placements, and more, this Astro Planner will help you optimize your schedule and live in alignment with the energy of the cosmos. And it does this, you can remove, and it has this that you can put over, if I can grab it, you can put over it to keep it closed. And yeah, ooh, I like that. It's pretty, pretty. And yeah. So the first thing starts right there, and then it goes through some information, and it gives you a whole lot of stuff. And then there's like the actual planner. You can jot things down, keep track of stuff. There's so much good, useful information and everything that you can do in here. And I like that they don't just do a whole year's worth and give you a big old thick book. They do it at 6 months at a time. So it's nice handheld, and it does have 2 little bookmarkers as well, and they're 2 different colors. So you can use them to mark 2 different things to keep your planner organized. So there's number 1. All right. Now, number 2, I'm just gonna grab this. This must be the crystal of the month. So I'm gonna take, ooh, that is pretty. It's engraved. This is a moon phase selenite wand. Look at that. That is so pretty. This is valued at $22. It says, charge this crystal wand in the moonlight and wave it around your auric field to cleanse, stabilize, and balance the cosmos stardust that exists within you. $22. And I like that engraving on there. That is super cute. And I love the moon on there. So super cute. So there's that. Now it looks like, is this like a lip balm? It says Taurus. I'm not a Taurus, but it says Crazy Rumors. And it looks like it is a lip balm. It says Crazy Rumors Zodiac Lip Balm. This handmade all-natural vegan lip balm is inspired by the constellations, the elements, and tarot cards. It will be a surprise to see which one you get. Receive it as an invitation from the universe to embody the energy of the zodiac signs. And this is valued at $4. You can use coupon GP15 like George Papa 15, saves 15% off at crazyrumors.com. So that's the company name, Crazy Rumors. So here's a Torres lip balm, and yeah, so there's that, valued at $4. Now we have, it says Goddess Provisions Zodiac washi, is it washi tape? Is that how you say it? I don't even know how you say that, but you know what I mean. This is super freaking cute. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. So this tape, is it even on here? Yes. This is Goddess Provisions Zodiac was whatever tape. I know it's not wasabi. I always try to say wasabi. Washi tape? But there's like zodiac signs and stuff on it, constellations and the moons and the stars. That is super cute. Let me pull a little bit so you can see more of the roll. Where does it start? That's a half moon. It's not just half of a sticker, Tracy. I thought that's where it started because it was only half of the moon. Okay, there we go. Look how pretty. I'm definitely going to use this. I mean, I could even decorate my planners, my journals. Oh my gosh, possibilities are endless with this one, but that is super cute. This is valued at $5. So $5 right there. This is valued at $5. Now we have, this says Seed of Creation Zodiac Talisman? Talisman? I don't know. This is valued at $33. Let's get this opened. Well, here's the box, the front, and there's the back. So this is what is inside. It is an adjustable, like you can adjust this to however long you want it to be for the necklace. So you can go really long, you can even go longer. So you can go really long with it, or you can go back to it being like more of a choker where it was lower. If I can get it. Now I'm making it long again. Hold on. I gotta go this way. Like, no. How do I do it back long again? I'm not sure. I'm just gonna leave it that length, but that is what it looks like. So it looks like it has all of the different zodiac signs, right? Yeah, it does. So that's what that looks like. And this one says you can use coupon MAGIC to save 21% off at seedofcreation.com. So again, valued at $33. That is really pretty. I like that it has all of the different signs on there. I'm a Scorpio. So there's a that. Now we still have two more items. One of them is in here. Is this incense? I think so, but they don't smell good. If these are incense, they do not smell good. Let's see what they are before I jump the gun. No, it looks like an incense to me, but no, they don't smell like any, they don't smell good. Yep, these are, it says Goddess Provisions Moon Ritual Incense. Burn this sandalwood incense during moon rituals and meditation to cleanse the sacred space, promote healing, and enhance connection to the divine celestial wisdom, valued at $11. And it has a little set of, like, all of those are in there. I just wish they smelled good. They don't really smell like anything. It just smells like wood. I like things that smell good. So it's a little disappointing, but if it's supposed to be a specific thing to do something for that specific ritual, then I can completely understand why it doesn't smell good. But there's some incense. Maybe when they burn, they smell better. We'll see. Then the last item is this pair of socks right here. This is valued at $11, and it says Goddess Provisions Cosmo Socks. And let me remove this so we can see the whole entire sock. There we go. So there we go. There is the sock. $11 seems a little high for one pair of socks, but they are, I guess, decorative and they're different. So I'm so glad it came in a subscription box, because I wouldn't pay $11 for one sock, but I would pay $11 for a whole package of them. So there is the Cosmic Socks by Goddess Provisions. I always tend to forget this part. I've been trying to remember, but I did forget again. So there is a digital bonus as well. It says The Hidden Secret of the Birth Chart ebook. and that is valued at $20. So it gives you the information on how you can download that digital bonus. So that's an additional item to the box and adds to the value. So the total retail value for everything all together, including the $20 digital bonus, will be right here for you guys. That'll be the grand total retail value for this box this month. So I thought this was a really good box. We have a pair of socks. We have a jewelry item. This is so unique with the engraving on there. I hope you guys are really seeing all of that engraving. There we go. That is just so pretty. Then we have the lip balm. This tape is adorable. We have some incense that don't smell good now, at least. And then we have the 6-month planner journal. So there you have it. What did you guys think of this month's box? Do you get this box? Did you like the items in this box? I'm really liking my Goddess Provisions. Every month they give me some really cool and unique things that I'm growing my collection with. So I'm really liking my Goddess Provisions. I'm happy with my suggestion just to keep this one on so far and let the other ones kind of go. So so far so good. I'm happy with my selection. Let me know what you guys think. If you get this, if you want to get this, do you like this kind of thing? I know not everybody's into the spiritual type boxes, but I do a whole lot of different things because I like a whole lot of different things. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. If you want to know a little bit more about Goddess Provisions is a monthly subscription. You get 5 to 7 full-size products in every box. Your box typically is between 80 to 100, but I've kind of noticed that it's normally more than 100. But on their website, they have it listed anywhere from $80 to $100 in their value. They do free shipping to the United States. They do ship worldwide. It's $15 to Canada and $25 internationally for shipping. The box is $33 a month if you do month to month, or you can get it as low as $27.75 a month if you go to a full year subscription. And they're always vegan and cruelty free, which I really do like that aspect of it. So again, it's $33 a month, or you can get it as low as $27.75 depending on how many months you prepay for. And I will have a link down below if you would like to check them out. So that is everything. Again, you guys, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.